Digital marketing sounds complicated, but it's actually much simpler than people think. At its core, digital marketing just means using the internet to connect a product or service with the right people. That's it. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basic pieces of digital marketing, how it's different from traditional marketing, and what really matters when you're getting started. Traditional marketing pushes messages out to everyone, like billboards, TV, or radio. Digital marketing is different. It allows you to reach specific people, measure what works, and adjust in real time. The most important part of digital marketing isn't ads or social media. It's building something people actually want. A business works best when there's real demand and when you enjoy what you're creating. Once you understand that, the next step is focus. You don't need to reach everyone. You just need to clearly understand who you're trying to help and speak directly to them. Digital marketing works when clarity comes first. Everything else builds from there.